Welcome to day 70 of the 5 Luo words a day. In this edition, we shall look at asembo, aseno, asere, asia, and asili. If you've not been following this series, please go back through to day number 1 so that you don't miss anything that we post. So let's move on to asembo. Asembo. Asembo is a place in Siaya County. And in a sentence, you can say, if you're a lady, you can say, Atedo asembo. That means I'm married to a person hailing from Asembo. Atedo asembo. So if you're a girl coming from Asembo, you can say, An nyar asembo. I'm a girl from Asembo. An nyar asembo. The second word is aseno. Aseno. Aseno is a long-legged edible grasshopper which has some chameleon qualities. It goes slowly, it changes color, but it's greenish in color. In a sentence, you can say, Nyarkindu tedonwa aseno mane koth okelo. Nyarkindu tedonwa aseno mane koth okelo. So my wife, who hails from Kindu, is preparing a meal of grasshoppers brought about by the rains. Nyar Kindu tedonwa aseno mane koth okelo. Our third word is asere. Asere. Asere is an arrow or a quiver. Asere, as pictured below. In a sentence, you can say, Jokwath mama sai ohero rito jamni kod asere. Jokwath ma Masai ohero rito jamni kod asere. So Masai herdsmen use arrows to protect their animals or their cows. And our fourth word is asia. Asia. Asia is a hedge between two houses or between houses. Asia. In a sentence, Nyambura opondo e asia. Nyambura opondo e asia. The cat is hidden inside the hedge. Like this hedge here, you can see if a cat hides there, you'll say, Nyambura opondo e asia. And the last word for the day is asili. Asili. Asili is a flute. And in a sentence you can say, Wer ma igoe asili, nyaka bed mana mamit. Wer ma igoe asili, nyaka bed mana mamit. Great. So this brings the end of the video, and I hope that you enjoyed this series. You can tune in tomorrow for more of the same. And please remember to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so that we get more viewers. For now, Oriti, and have a great day.